Hello guys, welcome to my channel Game of Trades. Today is 16th of December 2017 and I will be analyzing Lupin. This is one of the query in my WhatsApp group. First see the disclaimer. Whatever information you are viewing through this YouTube channel is entirely for educational purpose and any trade that you wish to take upon is entirely your responsibility and I can't be held legally responsible for it. So Lupin. Lupin, since the time it was listed, it was quite sideways and then it started to move up from 2009 April, and then it has given a very good up move, and after 2015 October it has been constantly moving down, and now from last few years on television we are always hearing that Lupin is a very good stock for a portfolio, we should buy it, and listening to them, if you have bought it, and if you see if your position in your portfolio, you will see that you are in loss. So that's why I always tell that don't listen to those guys. Always do your own analysis or ask some expert before buying a portfolio stock, because portfolio stocks, whenever we are buying for a long term, and if your long term bet has turned red, that is really not good. So I'm not sure the question was asked for portfolio or for trading. So the view I have already given regarding portfolio, so it has already corrected a lot. Now one thing is important, that in if you see this Fibonacci label, it is at 61% retracement. This is good enough. This is a golden ratio in Fibonacci retracement, and this might hold, this might not hold, because 38% is also very good ratio. This was not hold. 50% has failed. 61% is even, it is powerful enough, but then we never know that whether it is going to hold or not. Now what is in prospect for us? We see that here also very recently there has been sell in Lupin, and that too with high volume. So this is something that tells us that possibly this 61% will not be hold, and since here it has been on sell on rise, and currently it looks that it will continue its trend, it will continue its downtrend, and it will be a sell on rise stock. If you see RSI on weekly chart, so currently I'm analyzing weekly chart, you will see that this is currently facing resistance. Now if it is really strong, it sometime price action has to move price level high enough, and RSI has to cross first this trend line and then cross 60, which looks remote currently. Even price is so weak that even 20-day moving average it is not able to cross up. Leave this 50 and 100. So my to those who have joined my WhatsApp group recently, or those who have subscribed my YouTube recently, I want to tell you that the saffron color or orange color moving average line is 20-day moving average. This blue color is 50-day, and this green color is 100-day moving average. So these are all aligned in a bearish setup, and price action is so weak that it is not even to that is whenever it goes to 20-day moving average, it then it immediately it starts to sell off. So that's why it looks like it is still sell on rise. It is still sell on rise, and possibly in few days whenever it goes high we can sell again. So trading, if you are asking by trading idea, or anyone who is watching this we whenever it gives a rise and then after a few days if we see that it is showing weakness, that is the time that we can short sell it and then reap profit in this. Now if I go to daily chart, so on daily chart it looks like RSI will touch 60, but then it will not be able to cross it on. Here we see that on daily chart 20 moving average has been crossed, but then very soon it is going to reach 50-day moving average, and there it will register, or at least at this level, this point, because if you see The last here, if you see the place from where each moved started to move up, the price action after coming down when it let me draw horizontal line, then it will become more clear. So this was a let me make it darker. So if you see this, this was a support for price action. It started to move up. It crossed it down, and then when again it reached that level, it faced a resistance, and that is what something we can see again whenever price action reach this level or around here, it is possible that we can sell it off again. So around 920, whenever it reaches, if at all it is able to reach, because there is another at 890. So whenever it shows weakness, we can always short it and reap some profit there. So it is lupin here, which is a trading idea also, that whenever we find a selling, whenever we see a weakness, we can short it, but always be mindful that it is currently at 61% retracement and a bounce back may come, but it is very unlikely seeing the trend because sell off is still going on unless it bottoms out. The bottom out pattern is has still not formed, and this will take some time before it actually forms. And let me draw one trend line also here. So if you see, it is very steep. This trend line, if you see, this is very steep, and it is coming down, taking support, going up, coming down, taking support, coming down, taking support, and it is moving up. And again, when it will start moving down, this has long way to go. So there are a lot of profit that you can reap after shorting it. Just be mindful that it should show weakness. It's not that after seeing this video, just on the next trading session you just short it. No, first let it show weakness on the day chart, on that day, because currently Gujarat election is going on and anything can happen. So be patient with your trades. This looks like sale on rise, but still let the nifty and also weakness, or if nifty is going up and the pharma sector is, since it is defensive and pharma sector is down, then you choose lip into short. So whenever pharma sector is down, you want to find a weak stock, then lupin should be the stock that you should be looking for. So that's it for now. If you have any further queries, you can ask me in the comment section, and if you want to join my WhatsApp group, then you can ping me on the number provided in the description. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.